Now this is how you can pair the AirPods Max to the Apple TV. Let's get started. So naturally, I would recommend you to at first set up the AirPods Max with your iPhone because it's much simpler to just go through the setup process. And I assume that the Apple TV also uses the very same Apple ID, right? So it should all be connected. Otherwise, it might be a little bit harder to set it up. And once everything is part of the ecosystem, it's much easier. Anyways, you just need to put your AirPods Max in the pairing mode, and inside of the Apple TV settings, you can go to the remotes and the devices and find Bluetooth in there. And essentially, you should be able to find the AirPods in the list of nearby devices. So when you select them there, you will be able to just start the pairing process, and then you can confirm the connection and it should be like good to go. It will automatically play and the audio should go directly to your AirPods Max. Keep in mind that on the remote you can also hold down on the TV icon and the control center is going to appear as well, where you have some additional controls over the sounds and the audio output, so you can switch the output devices and turn it to the AirPods Max. So it can also just be managed in here, so it's pretty simple that way. Anyways, that's basically it from me. Hopefully I managed to help you out. It's just a very quick video. For more AirPods Max tutorials, check out the AirPods playlist on this channel, but also subscribe so you'll never miss anything important in the future. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you then.